So yeah, me and Lil Rose, he out here helping his dad, you know what I'm saying, do the brakes on his Nissan. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm out here, we always get it in. Hey, Lil Rose, hold this for me, bro. Yeah, so we right here right now. I'm getting it in right now, trying to do these front brakes up in here. I gotta, I'm doing it myself because I had to stop the other dude. Like I showed y'all in the other video, other dude stripped my lug nut, so I gotta put in the lug nut too. I hope he got my camera right on me. I hope I'm looking at it right. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't take this but like 20 minutes to do, but this motherfucker brakes hot as fuck. So what I'm gonna do is get the camera at me.
It's not be
No,
done.
no, it's not. So, what I need to do is let these brakes cool off right now, cause these motherfuckers hot as a bitch. Yeah, that way. What you doing with that?
Nothing. I just try and keep it from the heat.
I called myself doing it in the shade, but shit, that ain't gonna work.
Try to keep it from the heat.
Hey, go give me that other side so I can take these brake pads off.
The other side?
Yeah, right here. Never mind. Okay, hold this for me while I do these. Get on this side. Nah, give me right here. Just keep the camera right here at that level. Just make sure you look at the screen, you can see stuff. Unbolt these things quick, fast. See, this side ain't as bad. This side ain't as bad. Cool on this side, it ain't hot like the other side. I know one thing though, definitely I need to get my hair redone after this shit, god damn.
And I know more things. I definitely want to stay away from this smell.
What smell?
It smells garbage.
I don't smell it.
It must be because the heat.
Yeah.
Just go near that trash can.
Oh, duh, because it's a fucking trash can. It's a trash can. What you think a trash can is supposed to smell like? Fruits and berries?
Alright,
God
but
damn.
it's from the outside. It doesn't. It's supposed to smell like a trash can from the inside.
You ain't eating no more of them pot tarts either. I see that shit breaking your face up. And I had them 22s on here, did this shit. God damn. Still. I'm gonna hit y'all back.